Hi class, I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and welcome you to the course. My name is Mike Hager and I'm excited to spend the next several weeks working with you. I hope you find the course to be engaging and informative. Please feel free to reach out with any questions at any time. You can reach me through the course messages located on the left side bar menu towards the top or by calling me during my office hours. You can find my phone number on the top right of the home screen. I will always respond to you within 48 hours. However, I am generally able to respond much quicker through the course messages or text messages. Be sure to check out your course messages regularly, as this is how I will reach out to you if I need to contact you for any reason. In the welcome course announcements, you will see a checklist of tasks to do in order to familiarize yourself with the course. Be sure to review the course syllabus, calendar, and current discussions. The syllabus contains important class information. One thing I would like to point out is the college late policy. All assignments and discussions posts will receive a 10% grade deduction for each day they are late. Late discussion posts will not be accepted after 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on Saturday nights on the week it is due. Late assignments will not be accepted later than 1 week past the due date. One exception is the Module 6 assignment, which is due on the last day of class. No late work will be accepted, including the Module 6 assignment, after the last day of the course, which is Friday, December 14th. This week, there are 3 discussions to review. The first is the Student Lounge. Please post an introduction about yourself and respond to a peer or two. Especially in an online classroom, it is hard to get to know your peers. This is a great opportunity to get to know one another a little bit better. You will be interacting with your peers weekly through discussions. Also, please read the posts in the general course questions and live student session discussions. You're not required to post anything to these discussions. However, it is important to read my posts in each of them for necessary information. One unique way that Rasmussen helps create more community and discussion is through live sessions. Please mark your calendars for the live sessions listed on the course homepage. You are expected to attend each live session and participate in the conversations in order to receive credit. I highly encourage you to make an effort to participate in each live session. But if you cannot attend any live session, there will be an opportunity for you to view the video of the live session and answer any questions in order to receive credit. This is one assignment for this week. After reading the assigned reading for this week along with the Early Childhood Education Educator Preparation Handbook, please submit the handbook acknowledgement. This is the easiest 10 points that you will earn in the class. Simply click on the handbook acknowledgement under the Module 1 assignments. This will bring you to a 1-question quiz. Please select the answer yes to acknowledge that you have read the handbook and then select submit. This assignment is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on Sunday, November 11th. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and read through the welcome announcement. Always reach out to me with any questions. I'm here to help you and I want you to succeed in the course. I hope you enjoy the next 5.5 weeks learning together.